Alright guys, so today's video is about how to connect HW22 smartwatch. Here on the box you can see it comes with this red dot that shows that it is red strap that it comes with, just like the HW12 that I have here with me. So I'm going to be unboxing this guy right now and show you how you can set it up. Let's get down to business. Let's unbox it. Wow, display never sleep. So it can connect with your Android and iOS. This is what we are going to scan. That is the watch recommended app. And here you can see we have red strap in it. And here is the watch itself. Looks nice. It comes in a deep red color, which is still okay. And here we have a protective film here. Okay, it's dead, so I have to charge it up before I start using it. Let's check what is inside the box. And here we have the strap, and the next is the charging dock, which you can see a circular one. So that's pretty much all you are going to find in the box. So now it has been fully charged. Let's switch it on. As you can see, it is now switched on. So this is the home screen. There are a lot of wallpapers there that you can choose from this. And so let's connect it up. The first thing we are going to do is to download the app that is recommended for the watch. So let's bring our manual and scan this. Use our QR code scanner to scan it, and we are going to follow the link. As you can see, it has taken us to a website showing M2 Wear app. So you have to go to Google Play Store to download it, or the local download. So I'm going to go via the Google Play Store. But if you are using an iOS device, an iPhone, then you have to go to your Apple App Store. Already I have the M2 Wear, so I'm going to update it. If you don't have it, download it and install it on your smartphone. So now that we have our M2 Wear on our smartphone, the next thing to do is to switch on the Bluetooth of our HW22 smartwatch. So we are going to go to the menu and go to the Bluetooth icon here, which you can see here. Select that and make sure the power of the Bluetooth is switched on and the visibility is switched on. As you can see, the device name here also, which shows it is HW22. So once you have that switched on, now you can now go to the M2 Wear app and launch it. So when you open it, log in here, which shows the welcome to M2 Wear app. Now I'm going to use my Gmail to log in. You can also use your email address. So I'm going to select Gmail. It says please read and agree to the privacy policy first. So I'm going to select that and select Gmail here. And let's wait for it to log in. As you can see, it says login successful. So this is the health page on the dashboard here. And this is the workout page. This is the diet gallery page. This is the setting page. And this is the profile page. Let's go to the my device page. As you can see, it is showing T55 Plus here. Though I've connected T55 Plus here, so I'm going to unbind this and add new device. Now, as you can see, it has located our HW22 watch. So we are going to select that, and it's going to connect to our HW26. Okay, it's not connected yet. Let's select that. And says, are you sure you want to bind this device? Select OK. And you can see it says successful connection of device. So we have our HW22 connected to our M2 Wear app. Now let's confirm by using the find device option here. As you can see, our smartwatch is ringing. That shows it is truly connected. Okay. Now the next thing I'm going to share with you is the 12 hours time format. So you can come here to change the time format if you want to change the time format, change it to 12 hours. If you want to change it to 24 hours, as you can see, it has just changed to 24 hours. Now if you want to change it to 12 hours, tap it once again, and the time format is going to change to 12 hours, as you can see here. The next one I'm going to share with you is how to get WhatsApp message. So scroll down this way and you're going to see notification and reminder. Select that and make sure you have your WhatsApp reminder toggle on like this. Okay, also toggle on your SMS reminder so that you can receive messages on your smartwatch. Then you can go to the next step. Let's pick up this personal application, toggle this empty wear on like this, go to the system application, and this is not necessary. I don't think it's necessary, forget about that, and you can now go out. Now let's test our WhatsApp notification. Hi, have you subscribed? So I'm going to send it and let's see if it's going to drop. As you can see, it has dropped on the phone, and here you can see it on the smartwatch. Hi, have you subscribed? So that is how to get your WhatsApp notification on your smartwatch. If you want to customize the watch face, you have to go to the dial option here, which you can see on the dashboard. Just select that and it's going to take you to the dial gallery. Here you can see the classic dials. You can select more if you want to see others. You can come to my dial. So there are a lot of dials here. If you want to pick them, you can pick any one that you want. As you can see, you can also use choose more to see a lot of them. These are the ones that are on your dial already, that is on your smartwatch already. If you want to check them out, you can see them here. A lot of watch faces. If you want to pick, you can pick any one of these. A lot of them. Okay, so if you want to edit them, you can come here and select edit, and here if you want to put your own picture, come to DIY die here and you'll be able to customize and put your own picture on the HW22 smartwatch. And also this HW22 smartwatch comes with 3 games that you can play with when you are idle. The first one here you can see on the screen is the Flappy Bird or the Floppy Bird, and you can play this. It's very interesting. The second one is the Candy Crush kind of game. You can go through that in case you want to check that out. And the third is the car racing, which you can race and change your lane and do whatever you want on the game. All these 3 games are available on the HW22 smartwatch. You can check that out once you get yours. And that will be all for today. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.